Bill here at Immaculate Paint Protection, doing some field research on a Sunday afternoon when the dealership's closed down. But here's a 2018 BMW X5, 47,000 miles. Paint chip, paint chip, paint chip, paint chip, paint chip, paint chip. I gotta stop, but there's paint chip, paint chip, paint chip, paint chip. Paint protection film would have stopped all that from happening. At least we could do partial what's up to here. There's still some paint chips further back up to here, which that would make sense to do a full front end. But 47,000 miles, you can see the bumper. This is what happens on a white bumper when they get chipped up. The substrate, the plastic underneath the white is black, so it starts looking peppered up. So this is a great looking SUV when it was brand new, but if that's touched up now, it's not gonna look right. So the bumper, scuffed there, scuffed there. I mean, this is all normal wear and tear damage. I'm not saying this vehicle's totaled or been abused, but it was driven, probably driven hard. And you know, if you want to avoid that from happening, contact us at immaculatepaintprotection.com.